friends, my name is Ferry Kurniawan from Program Studi Teknik Keselamatan dan Kesehatan Kerja Politeknik Perkapalan Negeri, Surabaya. And here I will present about safety education in the school. What is safety education? Safety education should enable pupils to keep themselves safe and to contribute to keep others safe. It helps them be aware of possible hazards in different areas of their life and be able to take appropriate decision of action. Next. Safety education is not about isolating young people from all hazards. The bumps, cuts, and the pure, which are a normal part of growing up, but about equipping them to deal safely with a wide range of the situation. And what can safety education achieve? Safety education can enable children and young people and their parents or carriers to put effective safety measures into practice. For example, young cyclists can be taught how to plan safer routes to avoid difficult junctions where most accidents happen. Fighting smoke alarm and researching escape route can save lives in fires. What people learn about risk assessment in school can be applied to life outside the school and can increase resistance to safety information and advice from other sources. Safety education can help young people make decisions about and undertake a wide range of active sport, adventure, activity, travel, work, experience confidently and competently. And now, this is safety education include in school is skill of hazard awareness and victimness and risk assessment and management. It is pupils will be taught about risk assessment in subjects such as design and technical science and physical education. Safety education enables pupils to transfer this learning to other areas of their life. The next is the factors which influence attitudes and behavior which relate to safety. Safety education should include consideration of the stereotype and pressure which affect risk taking, for example, media image, link driven and speed, or the influence of fashion trend on the wearing of protective equipment. The next is personal and social skill which attractive are important in enable people to take responsibility for their own and other safety. For example, when asking for help or getting the emergency service or asking an adult to run seat belt to drive more safely, the role of emotion in recognition and managing rescue situation, being able to control and fear and deal with stress and fear are valuable safety-related skills. The next is playing a part in making community safer. Safety education involves learning to take responsibility, social and more issues. Discussing about safety issues to do with their school and local environment can lead on to pupils taking a part in activity to improve safety. It is sought include discussion about social and political issues which impact on improving safety. Context for safety education. Effects safety education should include a range of context approach to the age and development stage of the pupil. Account should be taken of the immediately environment of the pupil, for example, urban or rural roads, as well as unfamiliar environment that people may encounter, for example, driving, field visit, family holiday, or work experience setting. And the next about unhealthy building in school. The first is contaminate. If the children frequently has symptoms similar to a cold, an allergy, or the flu, and if the doctor has eliminated other cause, what's your children to see? If the problem clear up on the weekend. Another sign is when people with asthma or allergy have more reaction to this condition when they are inside to school building than outside it. The next is pesticide in school. Because their young body are still developing, children are more susceptible than adults to harm from pesticides on other counter products. Some schools are employing from that as several alternative pest control methods. And the next is unsafe drinking water. Occasionally, schools are found to have contaminated such as lead in the drink water. Lead pipes in older building can be one of the culprits. All schools should have their water test regularly. The next is coming to the school. Safety measures can tell a variety of forms, everything from step up traffic environment to in-class education on such topics. My school have adult crossing guards and school safety patrol. For example, still there probability are traffic situations that could use improvement. A safety audit with the help of a school safety committee should be done that includes staff, parents, police, and someone from your community traffic engineering department. Next is safety of playgrounds. If the equipment is metal, it should be a paint or government to prevent rusting. Otherwise, the structure can become welded or develop sharp brilliant edge parts used for climbing and creeping are soft if covered with slip resistant material. Wooden equipment can deteriorate and become splintered or can loosen. Moving parts can pitch or crush children's finger. Give special security to merry-go-rounds, shift valves, and suspension bridges. And the next is fire and safety drills. Have monthly drills and time them be sure that students are exciting in timely manner. Hold fire safety assemblies to review productions. Review each fire drill over the income or on the school television broadcast. Provide recommendation for improvement and comment exemplary behavior. Use of fire extinguishers should be known to all. the next is accord simulation and equation drills. Give your students several opportunities to ask questions and discuss their fear and concerns. They have plenty of what if question. Don't feel the most profound on the answer. Let your students have problem-solving sessions. Class and group discussion provide opportunities for students not only to express their negative feelings, but also to develop pride in the positive competency they are gained. And the next is laboratory safety measures. Use of lab gear such as lab coats and gloves. Add faculty trains lab staff safety drill for the lab in case of an emergency, training the student for safety precautions related to use of chemicals, electric point, hazardous equipment, and etc. Okay, my friend, it is all. Any question about safety education in school? I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.